Okay, guys. So you're all welcome. You're all welcome. You're all welcome. Okay. How is trading so far? How is trading so far? People are asking me now. We have a VIP group, yeah. If so, actually we have a VIP group. So if you want to join, you can join. Okay, Immaculate, you want to talk? Immaculate, you want to talk? Okay, I think it was a mistake. Yeah, so let's look at the chart. And today is the third day. I think today is for the online session. Today will be the third. Is it the third day? Yeah. With the classroom session, we finished with the STR. We are just doing revision. So we basically dealt with smart money concept. We dealt with Elliott wave corrections, and we dealt with the harmonic patterns. Yeah. So for the online session, we'll continue today. We would continue today. Now, let's go to so maybe we should go to the chart and see what I have for you. But how has trading been today? Let me know your view on the market today. Let me know your view on the market today. Let me know, what are you guys trading? What are you guys trading today? So let me know, Telegram, YouTube. We are live on YouTube. We are live on Telegram. We are live on Instagram. So let me know, those on YouTube, let me know what, let me see, guys. Let me see. Okay. Okay. So let me know what you are trading. What are you trading, guys? What pairs are you trading? Okay, someone, Ebo says Euro JPY sell. On Instagram, he says Euro JPY sell, Pound USD sell. Yeah, so I'm with the Pound USD sell, Euro USD sell, gold. Okay, so gold looks more dicey. Gold looks more dicey. I'd rather go in for a stop. So let me share the screen so that you guys can appreciate what I have for you guys. Okay. So the reason why I didn't call for gold is, look at this. So if you want to say this one is an ABC correction, the B of the correction is giving us an ABC. Okay, so it's possible it might go up before dropping. Yeah, that is why I have not I've not gone in for the gold sell. Yeah. So I'm looking at either it touching this point before we sell for the ABC correction. So I'm expecting this one to give us an A, the B giving us more or less like an expanded flat correction here. Yeah. Then we have the C. So A, B, C. Yeah, before we see the buy. However, I'm not trading this buy. I'm not trading this buy. I am waiting for it to get to this level. And once it breaks, I will sell. I also have, you see, you need to be dynamic in your approach. I also have the view that probably if during the, in this US session, if it doesn't get to the top and is able to break down, then I'll be going for the sell, because when this one went up, the correction, it gave us a swing high, swing low, swing high. This level, this one got broken. Okay, so it can just be like, the correction is completed and it will drop. But I also have in mind that this can be a simple ABC correction for a zigzag. So this one is giving us an A, the B is giving us a complex correction of an irregular flat correction, which is ABC. Okay, then, okay, this is not an irregular, this is a regular flat. So ABC, then the C goes to the top. So ABC before the drop. But as I told you, it can also drop from here. So I'm not entering the buy. Once it gets to this level, I'll wait for a reaction or a confluence around this zone and sell. Yeah. Now, for pound USD, okay, so for pound USD, it's broken. Okay, so that means that you can see, look at this. The reason why I will always sell pound USD. In fact, let me sell right now. So look at this. We have, so the whole pattern is more or less like, so this is the pattern. So when I put it from here, let me see something. I want to see the pattern for me. This is 30. So it can, so this one is going to either 88 fib, okay, because of the B, which is the break of market structure, or the change of character carrying at 38. That means that the D is either coming to 88 fib or coming to the 113 fib, yeah. So it's either a bat or alternating bat pattern. So I have something like this. This is the view, yeah. Now, it also means that when we go to the lower time frame, like the 1 hour, we are seeing this one as a swing structure in smart money concept. So once we have the impulsive move here, this is a swing structure. This actually is more or less like a triangle correction. You can also call it rising wedge or whatever you want to call it. Yeah. Now this one will break to the downside. Okay, so I'm seeing this one as, okay, so let me show you guys something. So this one, this sell move, this was a zigzag correction, which is a swing structure. Now this correction looks more like an internal structure. So we have the impulse here forming an internal structure. So we can join the sell over here. Our stop loss, you can see my stop loss. Maybe our stop, once it's broken, then that means our stop loss will be around here. And we'll write it. We can use the 1.0 Fibonacci extension to trend-based extension to mark from this level to this level to this level. Okay, so that we'll end at 1.0. Now, this one can also go for a complex correction, which can also, because when you measure the fib, now when I pull the fib from here to here, yeah, it's not even up to 38.2. So it can also, so you should also know that this one can also give us this like a flat correction and give us this before dropping. Yeah, it's possible. So when you are going in for this kind of trades, you have to be careful as to which kind of pattern corrections you are looking for. That's why I always advise people to also learn Elliott wave as a focal. Now, when you do STR, we teach you Elliott wave corrections and everything. So this is part of it. Okay. So for now, if you want to sell, then look for your first take profit at the support level. Then, so you will still be selling. The trend should always be your friend until the swing structure is broken. You can see the first swing structure was this one. The second swing structure is this one. Now, this one is the internal structure. So, so these are the internal structures here. Yeah? So this one could be an internal structure. So you can pull down. Yeah, so that means that we are looking for, let's go to the 5 minutes time frame and see whether we'll find a confluence. Look at this, it's broken. Now, here we have a swing high, swing low, yeah, swing high, swing low, yeah, swing high, swing low, yeah, swing high, swing low, swing high. This is a change of character here, yeah, change of character. So if you're able to get something like this, we can sell. Okay, so you can, if you don't care about the pullback, then you can also sell, put your stop loss around here and you're good to go. Yeah, remember to calculate your risk when you are entering for your loss size. So you need a very good risk management. Yeah, okay. So if you are on YouTube, or if you are on Instagram and you like the analysis, just type MOP. Just type MOP, money over poverty. Just type MOP. If you really love the analysis, just type MOP. MOP. Okay. Now let's go to let's look at other pairs and see what is happening. Okay, let's look at other pairs. Now, let's go to the monthly time frame of NZD-JPY. Now, NZD-JPY, when you check over here, it gave us, let me draw a fib. That means that the break of market structure or the change of character happened at 88.6. You can see it over here. So if we have 88.6, the next fib level for the D will be at 1.618, which is this level, 1.61. And this is on the monthly time frame. You can see it over here. Now, it doesn't mean that we are placing our trade on the monthly time frame. We have to scale it down. The chart is very fractal, so you have to scale it down to a lower time frame. Now, this is our game plan. This is our goal. Okay, so let's go to the daily time frame to look at what is happening over there. Now, look at this. Now, once we have an impulsive move over here, and this was also a harmonic pattern formation here. Now, once we have an impulsive move over here, this created an imbalance. So it has to balance this structure. Some call it fair value gap in smart money concept. Now, it also created an ABCDE, which is a triangle formation in Elliott wave. Okay, now we want to scale it down to our entry. That means that our entry will be in this zone. Okay, so let's go to the lower time frame to look for some sort of entry. Now we are going to the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame. Now you see that this one gave us an impulsive move and it created an imbalance. Normally imbalance breaks structures, yeah? So it broke this structure, creating a change of character. Okay, this imbalance created a change of character here, yeah? Now, it also had to come down. Now it created a flat correction which balanced. So the balancing of the imbalance over here fell on the previous swing high, yeah? fell on this previous swing. Okay, now I was expecting that it will pull back to maybe the daily order block here. Okay, around this zone, yeah. But I feel like sometimes when you have an imbalanced breaking structures like that and it's very long, it can just close around the previous swing high, yeah. Now, if this is something to go by, then this impulsive move created a flat correction. This is a regular flat correction. So we need to have another impulsive move up. Now let's go to the 15 minutes. From the 1 hour, we go to the 15 minutes. Now the current move, this went up, created an imbalance, and it balanced it over here. So now you can say that this is a swing high, yeah. So we broke the swing high, brought us to the demand zone. I was expecting that. So let's go to the 4 hour. Okay, let's go to the 1 hour. So I was expecting once this one is broken, it will be within this other block here. When you are drawing other blocks, make sure you add the wicks to it, okay, because there are others in the wicks. Okay, so now you see that in the higher time frame, we are expecting a buy. So any move that you make should be, buy bias, yeah. It should be more sentence on the buy than the sell. Now this was a break of structure, so it came back to the demand zone, yeah, as a discounted form of zone. So we are now looking for opportunity to buy NZD JPY. Okay, so in this case, we would consider this one as this ABC correction as a swing structure. Okay, as a swing structure, you can use the parallel channel. You see the work that goes into analysis, yeah? Okay, so now let's go scale it down all the way to the 5 minutes. Yeah, so this is the 5 minutes. Now, this is what is happening. This is a zigzag correction, yeah? So that means that it's a buy to the top. Okay, now let's go to the 1 minute time frame and see something. Now look at the 1 minute time frame. So 1 minute time frame, look at this. We have swing low, yeah, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. I was waiting. Okay, so this one broke this level, gave us this, which could be the other block, the previous swing that causes the breakout structure. So I'm expecting this one to push up, yeah? I'm expecting this one to push up. Okay, so this is on the 1 minute, so I can even bring my my stop loss here. Yeah, this is the 1 minute. Okay, so this is a trade you want to buy. Once you buy over here, it is aligning with the monthly analysis to the top. Yeah. So we've broken it down from the monthly time frame all the way to the 1 minute time frame. Okay. So this is what you see the buy. You see the buy. You see what is happening. You see what is happening. So you should know we don't joke here. Stop playing. How do we say stop playing? Stop playing. Okay. Okay, guys. So let's look for another pair. Let's look for another pair. Okay, let's look for another pair. Euro USD JPY. Wow. Look at this. USD JPY is a complete buy, yeah? USD JPY. I had to play straight, but I'm giving you all the time. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Now, the fact is that you guys, I tell you guys that you need to learn. You see, Forex, you should be very dynamic. That's one thing. Forex should be very dynamic. Now, if you are able to learn Elliott waves very well, if you're able to learn harmonic patterns, if you're able to learn smart money concepts, you'll be very. Please, can you elaborate on how to place trade on MT4? See, this is not a place to do placing trade on MT4. It will be very difficult. This session is for advanced, those who are already trading. Okay, we have courses that we teach. For even how to place trade on, someone is asking, please, can you elaborate on how to place trade on MT4? You can just get this one on YouTube. This is not something difficult, yeah? Now, you see, this dollar strength comes from DXY, yeah? It comes from DXY. So DXY, now I tell you guys that DXY completed a bat pattern formation. Now this is the whole trend of DXY. The dollar is never getting weak anytime soon. Now, look at why I said it's not getting from here to here, yeah? To here, to here, to here, 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 here. Now, this is the change of character, okay? Now, it broke the previous low. Then this is either a shark or a cipher pattern. Shark and cipher patterns are the only patterns that break the A. So X, A, B, C, D. The B is the break of structure. So with harmonic pattern, it was, the original concept did not define the B, but with my experience on the chart, I was able to come up with the fact that all my harmonic patterns, I look for break of market structure or change of character, yeah? This one, the B is the eye of the harmonic pattern, and it should always be the change of character. Now, it comes over here, yeah, create this, go this, and it's going up. Now, the goal of this trade is shark or cipher. So shark or cipher, when you have this one at 50, and you put it at C, now, when it gets to the 78.6, that is the end of cipher, yeah? When it gets between 88 to 113, is shark pattern, okay? Between 88 to 113 is shark pattern. Between 88 to 113 is shark pattern. Okay, so I'll rather put it at 88, yeah, or 113. Now, this is the goal of DXY. This is the long term. In fact, this one is not even 1 year. This is the goal of DXY. So me trading DXY is based on these structures. Now, that means that we should scale it down to the lower time frame to look for a perfect entry. Now, when you go to the daily time frame, now the daily time frame, there was a structure there. Now, before that, let's go back to this zone. So what we have to do is to mark this zone, yeah? So let's add it. Okay, so it's there. Or we can just use this one rather. Yeah, so that it will cut across board. Okay, now let's go to the weekly time frame. Now look at this. I told you guys in the previous video that when you have, okay, so before that, when you put your fib here to here, you know the monthly time frame is a buy. So all your harmonic patterns, you are looking for buy opportunities. You are looking for harmonic pattern that is shooting to the top. Now, this B, a change of character happened at 88.6. So harmonics will tell you that when the B, which is a change of character, ends at 88, now the next fib is 1.618, which is here. You see the way it's rejected over here and drop. Now, that should show you the power of harmonic patterns. Now, it got to so it got to this level, so we say 88.6. There's AB equals CD here, so 116. Now, we are still expecting, so originally harmonic patterns, we only buy or sell at the D but I pick trades from C to D. Okay. Once I get change of character for the B, when it comes to C, I look for change of character at C and I enter to D. Now, from A to D, it landed on the 55th. So you can see that bullish rejection on the 50 Fibonacci ratio. Now, when you have a swing coming straight up like this, that means that it's possibly going to form a flat correction. Now, there are three types of flat correction. We have running flat, expanded flat, and regular flat. So this one getting here, your next one is going to this other block. It can either go to this other block when it's creating a regular flat, or it can break it as a form of liquidity and drop, which will form an expanded flat. So it depends on the kind of flat that is forming. There should be a correction. So it can come here, or it can even come here like this, which will be a running flat correction. So it depends on the type of correction that is forming. So you should know that DXY, this is what I'm expecting. Yeah. Now, that means I'm expecting buy all the way to the top. So for all the pairs, I'm expecting buy as pound USD, I'm expecting a sell. Euro USD, I'm expecting a sell. AUD USD, I'm expecting a sell. So that is why I am sell on this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. You see what I just told you? That if this one has broken, so we are, if I show you my balance right now, you run away. Oh my God. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. Look at this. That means that USD JPY should fly up. It went up and came inside. Oh my God, look at USD CHF. Wow, I just drew it. Look. Look at this. You see after the flat correction, there's an impulsive move. So this was more or less like an imbalance. Okay. So it dropped now. This is a swing. It's a swing structure. So it's going in. That means that we are buying USD JPY. We are buying. This is a change of character. Okay. Swing lows, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high. This was the change of character. So it's going up, yeah? Up, 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 up. AUD USD, AUD USD. I gave the signal. Look at this. This was a flat correction. Now the AUD USD, this is the whole trend. Look at this. So it has to come and hit the unmitigated order block here. This is another block, yeah? This is, so there was another block too over here. When you go to the weekly, you see the other block here. There is another other block, which is a doji, yeah? So it's either here or here, so it's coming down. Now, when you go to the 1 hour time frame, we had an impulsive. Now, this whole move, this is a swing structure. So after swing structures, what next do you have? You have internal structures. That would be a smaller version of the swing structure. So we have the impulsive move, internal structure. Once the internal structure forms an ABC correction, which is ABC. Now, once it breaks, we enter. So we entered, I called in the VIP group, yeah? In the VIP, you can see the VIP, look at this. I called for Euro USD sell. Okay, I called for Euro USD sell. And I also called for, okay, let me see. This is Euro USD. There should be an AUD USD. Okay, so you can see AUD USD to sell. Okay, AUD USD sell. So this was 11:31 GMT. Okay, and this was 12:33 GMT. You can see it over here. So, okay, so now, so we should be in very good profit now. Now, this was a regular flat correction, an ABC flat correction. You can see over ABC. Now, the reason why I sold here was when I saw a change of character over here. Yeah. Okay, so it went up, came down, went up, broke this level. Now it's going to sell. What you should be expecting, this one is an internal structure. So you should see more of this one. So you should have like 5 waves. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2. So you have this one can be a full wave. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 before we have a bigger structure. So the sell is going to go for long. Okay, we've already seen a swing structure here. So I don't think this one would go up to another level. No. So you should be expecting more sales for AUD USD. Okay. So look for more sales for AUD USD. Okay. So let's look at, do you have any other one? Do you have any other one? Gold. You see what I told you with gold? Look, see what I told you? I told you that even though I am expecting this buy to complete an ABC, I'm also careful with DXY because it can break. And look at this. That's why I did not go for the gold buy. I just told you a few minutes ago. And look at this. So that means that gold has broken over here. So we'll be going in for the sales. Okay, we are going for the sales. So that means that gold, we are going in for the sales. So this one has become invalid. We are going in for the sales. Okay, I just told you that's what is happening. Wow, look at CHF. CHF JPY. Let's look at CHF JPY. Look at this. Now, look, this is just simple smart money concept. So CHF JPY was just a smart money concept move. So we have the swing high, swing low. These are the swing structures. So it's creating an unmitigated order blocks. Okay, so there was unmitigated order block here. Yeah. There's another one to here. These are unmitigated order blocks. Now swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. It did as if it was good. So this was more or less like an inducement. Okay. Now, once it induced over here, then it picked liquidity. So this was the change of character. This sell move was that it broke this previous breaker. So this breaker was broken. Yeah, this breaker was broken. Okay, so this swing high, swing low, then it created an inducement over here and broke this breaker over here, causing change of character. Now I'm expecting it to go and hit the other block from this swing high. So it might return over here. So let's look at this move too. It might return over. So it gets to this level or this level and breaks. Now we go to the lower time frame. Okay, the lower time frame. And that means that there are more. So this is a swing structure and it's creating internal structures. So until the internal structure is broken down, then we are going to have another swing structure. Okay. So what I'm waiting for is another swing structure like this one, maybe probably a zigzag or something to occur. Then I join the swing structure and buy all the way to this zone. Okay. Once I get to this zone, we'll be looking for selling opportunities. So that's it for CHF JPY. Okay, that's it for the CHF-JPY. Okay, so we are buying to this zone or to this zone, yeah. Okay, which one again? AED-JPY. It's been a long time I analyze it, but let me see whether there are some opportunities there. So this was a swing. Let me scroll it. So this was a swing structure. This is another swing structure. Okay, so I'm not looking for a selling opportunity for AED-JPY. This is just a swing structure. This swing structure, yeah. So the overall trend, I'm rather, look at this. There's no way I'll be looking for a selling opportunity now. Now, it came here, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. This was the change of character. Came down here, came here, came here. So I'm expecting it to go up, yeah? I'm expecting to go up. Now, it means that when I go to the 1 hour time frame, I'm looking for buying opportunity. Now, in the Telegram group, I gave a setup for AUD JPY. Let me see whether I'll say it. Let me see. Okay, I can't scroll it because of. Okay. Let me see whether I'll see AUD JPY. I made some crazy money yesterday. I think I ended at, yesterday I ended at 5,000 profit. You can see over here. So yesterday, AUD JPY, AUD JPY. So this was the USD JPY. I'm looking for AUD JPY. Okay. Okay, so we'll find it later. So that means that this whole move from here, yeah. So this was an impulsive move which broke this level. It caused a change of character here, yeah. Now, so imbalance also broke a structure over here, yeah, and it balanced with this zigzag correction. Now we have another imbalance which broke another structure here. Now it came here to, it's now balancing over here, yeah. So this whole thing is a correction, and we are buyers, so we will just be looking for buy opportunities around this level. Okay, let me see. Okay, so someone will say this a head and a shoulder, whatever, but trust you me, we need clear signals to go with. Okay, it's not so clear for me now. Let me see. I don't think this one will break all the way down. No, it should end at the shoulder and it will go off. It will go up. Okay, so I'd rather go in as this one be a flat correction. Yeah. Then this one should be a move up because overall trend is a buy. So rather, I'll see this one as a move up to the top. Okay, so let's see if this move will take us to the top. Don't be looking for AUDJPY cells. It's not the best. Okay, it's not a trade I'm entering, but it's possible we might have an up move. EURJPY, it's a buy, but this zone, we need to see a correction over here. Okay, let's go to the weekly time frame. Now, this is the whole pattern. Okay, these are swing structures, change of character. So we'll put it here to here. And this 61, it has to come to 78.6 to form a Gartley pattern. Yeah, to form a Gartley pattern. So this is the Gartley pattern. 61, this zone, it didn't tie the 78. So put it here, and this. Yeah, this is a Gartley pattern. That means that we are expecting the trade to hit the zone. Let's put our fib here. Okay, now let's go to this, the weekly. So let's go to the 4-hour to see something. Okay, now look at the 4-hour. Okay, so you have the move coming down. So swing low, swing high. This is more like a double zigzag. Okay, so you can call it WXY. Yeah, then over here, it's forming, it's in a consolidated zone, but it broke. So let's look at it. So we have something like this. Yeah. Now, I'm trying to remove this thing over here. So A, B, C, D. Now look at something here. Now, the reason why I think we should have some small cell over here, we should have some small cell coming in before going up. Yeah. Now, this is forming a shark pattern. Okay, it should hit the 113, which is this level 113. Okay, so I'm expecting a cell move, a little, maybe to this zone. Okay, this unmitigated order block here. Maybe this zone or this zone. I should see some cells in there before. So it's either 38, so it should be between 38 to 60. So if I put it here, okay, let me see. From this zone to this zone. Okay, so it might come to this zone. It's possible it might come all the way to this zone. It can come to the second one before going up. Okay. It has broken, it has to go up, but it has created an imbalance. So it will balance, because normally imbalance break structures, which is broken. Now it has to balance it, which might come to the unmitigated order block here. Then it will continue up. Okay. So let's look for this kind of move. I don't think we will have a straight up buy like that. It will balance it to the unmitigated order block, because this one is a completion of a harmonic pattern, a shark pattern. Okay. So if it's 113 shark pattern, then we might see the sell move 38 to 61.8. It might come to the unmitigated order block here, so that this fair value gap will be closed. Yeah, then it will continue up. Okay, so look for this move on for Euro JPY. Okay, Euro JPY. I would advise that don't go in for the sell. Wait for it to complete and jump. Okay. The market is not your friend. So wait. Now, even here, to confirm yourselves, if you want to sell, then look for some sort of change of character on the lower time frame. Okay. Look for some sort of change of character. Okay. So if he's able to break this one or create an inducement here to this zone, and that's like this, then you can short it to this zone. Okay. So you don't need to sell it, wait for more confirmations, then you sell. Try again. Euro NZD is not a pair I want to look at because I checked it was not nice. So we've analyzed all these pairs. Is there any pair you want us to analyze? If there is any pair you want us to analyze, let me know so that I can help you guys. Is there any pair you want us to analyze? If there is, let me know. Is there any pair you want us to analyze? Those on YouTube, let me check. Those on YouTube. Those on YouTube, let me check. Okay. Okay. So Euro USD is still going down. Euro USD is still down. By now, we should be in a lot of profit as well. Should be in good profit by now. Oh my God. This my student will be fucking see. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, those on Telegram, if you see this here, let me see. You see if I here. If you see this here, let me see. Let me see. Guys, as you see here, if you see this here, let me see. By now, you've been fucking profit. You've been fucking profit. We call the buy during the STR class. We call for the sales, and he plays it. By now, he's gotten a lot of money. This guy started with $15, and oh, Mube, pound USD, I've done it already. I don't know. Mike Prince, yeah, Mike, you want to ask a question or you want to talk? Mike, do you want to talk? I want to. Okay, you can. On gold, let me see. Okay, so you are asking whether there will be any. Let me see. Gold. Okay, so which zone are you talking about? this zone, this one. So I don't know if you are talking about this one, this zone, because it touch there, touch there, touch there. If this is the zone, then if that's what you are looking at, then that means that you're expecting it to come to this zone. I don't know of this zone that the other psychological zone that you're talking about. Are you okay? Are you okay? Or you have 1 hour? Okay. So, um, so this zone, but it's just a one of something. I don't know whether there's other. So that's the line I drew. It's best you wait for it to come to this zone. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Guys, anything that you want me to discuss, anything, any other thing, any chart you are looking at, guys, any chart, are you looking at any chart? Okay. Euro GBP. Okay. Moment. Okay. A moment. A moment. Okay. Euro GBP. Um, That's not been my pair that I'm looking about. Let me analyze. Oh, hmm. This chart is crazy. Okay. It's not clear for me on the, but no, this kind of broker, I don't know. Maybe the broker Euro GBP is not giving me much history. Let me check Rwanda. Oh, Rwanda is worse. Okay. Where is that come? Okay, let me use the first one. So we have a break of structure, comes back to the demand zone. So maybe you're expecting this one. Maybe you're expecting this one to break the structure here. Yeah. So we are looking for buy opportunity. This an imbalance. Okay. So the previous, let me see something here. Now, $61, it didn't get to the 1.618. Okay. Now, I still have to see some cells. I still have to see some cells. A moment. Guys, a moment. Um, okay, let's continue. So we have now it's a buyer, but this has created an imbalance. So we have swing low, swing high. Yeah. There's a change of character. So now it has to come down. It has to come down, but on the 15 minutes time frame, it's forming. I am seeing this one. Let me see something. Okay. So this one has to come down. So there should be a pattern that should. So it has broken liquidity over here. You can see this one has broken liquidity. Yeah. It has broken liquidity over here. It should bring, there should be, I mean, this one should come down. Okay. So we should see price action here. That should send it down. It has to come and touch. Oh, I'm muted. Oh, sorry. Okay, sorry. So we have swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high. Yeah. Now, this is a change of character. So it more or less has to, maybe this other block, this one. I don't think it, this doesn't look like an other block. Okay, is this an insider candle? Yeah, you can consider it as an insider candle. But I'd rather go for this one, this whole move. Okay. If I get this one, I'll be happy with this one rather. So that if I'm able to get something like this, yeah, then it will form another harmonic pattern and I'll buy it. I'd rather prefer that one than seeing it go like this. Yeah. So let me see something. You see it's on the 61.8. So I'm expecting that sell move to this zone, this other block zone. Then once it gets here, we'll give you more reason to buy. Okay, so I'm looking for this move. But for now, I'm not doing anything. You are looking for buy opportunity. Were you looking for buy opportunity? Okay. It's possible, but for me, I wouldn't, because there is an imbalance here, I wouldn't want to jump in. Definitely, this imbalance has to balance. This is a fair value gap, so it has to come and balance it. Maybe it will come to the previous swing, this swing, or it can come to the other block zone. So I wouldn't want to jump in here. It has to balance before I enter. Yeah. Okay. Any other guys? Any other one? Guys, okay, Benjamin. Yeah, Benjamin. Benjamin, you are muted. Benjamin, you want to ask a question or you want to make a contribution? No, you raise your hands. That's why I'm calling. I invited you. Okay, Pokemon is not ready. Someone just raised their hand. Okay, okay, Fee. Fee, you can speak. Yeah, Fee. Pound what? Pound yen. Okay, let's see. The same move. It's the same move. This is a change of character. Okay. Okay, no, this is more or less like an imbalance here. It went straight up. So it needs to come and balance. So definitely there should be a sell move before that move. Okay. That means that even when you look at this one, let's compare it to which one? We just analyze one pair now. Or the Euro GBP. Now this one has inverse relationship. So this one has pure. No, it's not something we can compare. Let's look at Euro GBP. Pound JPY would go very soon. See, pound JPY has dropped, but Euro JPY is still going up. So it also has to drop a little. Okay, so let me go and check. So pound JPY, it has to also drop a little. This imbalance, it has to drop a little to balance it. This imbalance broke a swing. Okay, so it can even come to this other block or the previous swing high or this other block. So within this zone, that's where our confluence is. So even this one, you can even see that this one gave us a swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. Yeah, this one, it has to go up, but it's inducing. It's creating an inducement. So it can break down. Yeah, maybe it can break to the previous swing high, then continue up. Okay, because this one looks like an inducement. It's inducing people to buy over here. The trend is your friend. So people buy, place orders here. It will come and clear it to the down here, to the previous swing high. Okay, then it will go up. So all JPY to be a sell. A series selling. Hopefully, yeah, I think so. Look at this. I don't know if you can see. You can't. Okay. I'm up almost like 2,600 and just two trades. Let me see NZDJPY. Yeah, you see the structure. It's still selling. It's go up, but maybe it will go up. NZDJPY might go faster. Um, it's on the 61.8. It can come. It can also come to the 22 inside the other block here. So the current place it can move up. Okay, we just need some change of character on the lower time, like this one. So what you do now is you put your horizontal ray here, waiting for that break of change of character. Okay, this will be your swing point. So once it breaks the zone, you can buy and put your stop loss here. But for now, it's a sell, sell, sell. Okay, wait for it to break this zone. Come back. Because I was on, I didn't play the pound well. Ah, this is crazy, man. See, the trend is always your friend. So I advise that always don't go against your trend. Don't go against. Any other one? Max the trader. Max the trader. Max the trader. Your status is nowhere cool. Nowhere cool. Max the trader. Max Albi. Okay, Max is offline. I'm up $2,800. Oh, you can see. Sorry. You guys can see. Let me see. Okay, let me see whether I can get the black interface. Yeah. Sir, let me check right. Let me check. And the actual. The actual Jao cry. Oh, 3,000. Amu, but chema. Wow. Oh, okay. Let me see. Uh-huh. Okay. A USDJPY. Wait 1 minute. USDJPY. Yeah. Okay. I'm fan fan as A, and I'm fan as B. With time frame, so that I'll correct. Okay, sensei. Okay, sensei. M C and the Waboka. It should always go in the direction of um. So it should always also overall trend, a buy. So you should not be looking for selling opportunities. Overall trend, and the mama overall trend, we know impulse correction. I've given you swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high. Then this one, change of character. So this is the breaker. Okay, so that means that it's broken this one, causing change of character. So if you have this one, then that means that the moment it breaks, you are looking for um, so you are looking for another change of character here. So it came here. Yeah, this is a change of character. So this this is another change of character because this was given a swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high. It has to go swing low, but rather it gave us higher high, higher low, higher high. So that means that it's changing from selling to buying. So higher high, higher low, that's to give us higher high. This one, this one's this correction is called a swing structure, swing structure, swing structure. So when you come here, this is also a swing structure. And these small ones are called internal structures. So this is internal structure booking. So it's a buy. So that means that it has to buy all the way to this level. A top the drawer, then that means that this will be the B. So from the X, we start from the down. Okay, from the X, we start from the down all the way here, here, drop. Guys, any other one? Mama, so how has it been like from the time you came in, you didn't know what you were doing, and now at least you're able to see some charts and draw your harmonic patterns and other stuff. How's the journey been? Yeah. Wow. I see. No problem. 3,800 profit. Around yesterday alone, I made almost like 5,000, and today I'm almost like 4,000, 3,800. So come to about 2 months ago, Charlie, some trades were going against me. My what? It was recently that, see, I held trade for like 2 months. 2 months. Hey, what that? I went to take big risk. See, I nearly blew an account, and one, I think it was NFP. NFP recovered the account. NFP recovered. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Charlie. I think the account that blew was the CPI, because normally I did not watch his live, but normally Happy Trading CPI will set up and down orders. I also did the same thing. It took the buy and took the sell. It went up, came down, and you be stuck in the middle. I swear, this one will blow, this one will blow. Definitely to be CPI, because the CPI went up and down. But NFP was big, like it recovered the account. It recovered the account. Yeah. So right now I'm trading steady. This week, last week and this week, I've not made losses. So not even a single loss. Who is Coco? Coco, no, no analysis. Shizo. People are not trading. Okay. Guys, any other one? I think. Um, oh, it was not sharing the screen. Okay.